एवम् उपशमायमानेषु स्वतनेषु अथ जगति पतिर्जगतीम् अर्बुदानि एकादश परिवत्सराणाम् अव्याहताखिलपुरुषकारसारसंहृतदोर्दण्डयुगलापीडित उर्वीगुणस्तनितविरमितधर्मप्रतिपक्षो बहिष्मत्याश्चानुदिनमेधामानप्रमोदप्रसरणयौषिण्यव्रीडाप्रमुषितहासावलोकरुचिरक्षयलादिभिः पराभूयमान इवानवबुध्यमान इव महामना बुभुजे. So what we did was we did uh, look at
we discussed Bubuje Mahodaya.
Bubuje, Bhuj Dhatu, right? And then there are long words in this Samastapadani. This makes Sanskrita, the Samastapadas, I'm talking about Samastapadani, Samasa, makes Sanskrit language unique, complex, because these multiple words they combine, and that opens up the interpretation, multiple interpretations, because I mean it becomes open for multiple interpretations. How you break these samastapadas makes the difference in the meanings, and this makes the Sanskrit language unique and also also challenging in certain cases, especially in the Shastra Nirnaya, Tattva Nirnaya, Shastrartha Nirnaya. So this kind of this long Samastapada reminds me of Kavya's compositions, especially such as Dashakumara Charitam, Dandina Padalalityam, Dandi Kavi, Kavirdandi Ityuktam. Yes, Kavi means Dandi, Kavi is Dandi is a Kavi, poet. We can look at some of those, some at least like 3, 4, or one small part of Dashakumara Charitam some other time. Very interesting, very long words like this, Samastapada, in many places, most of the places. And many times we lose what the poet is trying to say, what is trying to convey, because each word, like there are 20, 30 words in one, 30 small sub-words in one big word, and we don't know, we don't lose track of the story, where it's going, like that. Anyway, if one is inclined towards those kind of kavidas, it's fun.
I think Dandi Kavi एकस्मिन् पुस्तके एकस्मिन् ग्रन्थे 1.5 पेज् एकवाक्यमस्ति
एकपदं
एकपदं 1.5 पेज्
Yeah. So if one is interested in such kind of kavya alankara, you can study. अत्रापि एवम् उपशमायमानेषु स्वतनेषु उभये इति पदं प्रयोगे अस्ति. So we are looking at प्रथमविभक्ति विभक्तौ कानि पदानि सन्ति इति. अत्र जगतीपतिः इत्यस्ति प्रथमविभक्ति पदम्. अनन्तरं जगतीपतिः इत्युक्ते राजा. अनन्तरं
महामनः
सः महामनाः अपि अस्ति. सः महामनाः जगतीपतिः अस्ति. अनन्तरं
बुभुजे
क्रियापदमस्ति. पुनः अवबुध्यमानः इत्यपि अस्ति. परायभूवयमान विवेकः अपि अस्ति प्रथमविभक्तौ. अनन्तरम् एतत् सर्वं 11 परिवत्सराणाम् अव्याहतपुरुषकारात् एकं पदमस्ति. अनन्तरं प्रतिपक्षः विरमितधर्मप्रतिपक्ष इत्यपि प्रथमविभक्तौ. एतानि पदानि सन्ति. So यत्र बृहत्पदानि सन्ति. अनन्तरं पश्यामः महामनाः, अनन्तरम् उदारमनाः. उदार इत्युक्ते किम्? मनः किं कथमस्ति? महदस्ति इति. महत् इत्युक्ते यस्य मनः महदस्ति किं लक्षणं वर्तते तस्य भवति? किं लक्षणं भवति? गुणः. महामनः इति कं वदामः? महल्लोकः महद्ग्रहः इति. गुरुग्रहः महदस्ति, शनिग्रहः महदस्ति. मनः इति मनः तु द्रष्टुं न शक्यते. तदा महत् इति कथं वदामः? मारि भगिनि,
किं महोदय?
लक्षणं कथं भवति? लक्षणं किं भवति? यः महामनः अस्ति तस्य लक्षणं कथं भवति?
परमहंस इव भवति खलु.
विरक्तः इति. One who has a big mind. Big mind means what is the lakshana? How does he behave?
He is beyond normal things. He is beyond.
महामानव.
यथा राजा महामनः अस्ति इत्युक्ते किं भवति अर्थः? राजा
अहङ्कारी अस्ति.
न.
He is generous. Generous means he is a कृपाळुः अस्ति.
उदार.
दानशीलः, कृपाळुः. लक्षणं महामनः.
उदारः अस्ति, परोपकारी अस्ति.
परोपकारी अस्ति महामनः. He is forgiving. He doesn't keep anything against anybody. He doesn't hold anybody against. Even if they are against him, or they do something bad, especially his prajaha.
So
Kshamaguna va?
Kshamashila अस्ति. अनन्तरं द्वेष्टे सर्वभूतानां मैत्रः करुण एव च निर्ममो निरहङ्कार समदुःखः सुखक्षमी. अंद्र जगतीपतिः एवम् उपशमायमानेषु स्वतनयेषु स्वतनयाः सन्ति उपशमायमानेषु what is उपशमायमाने येषां मनः शान्तमस्ति विरक्तमस्ति शमितमस्ति शान्तम् अथवा शमितं शमनं किं भवति शान्तं किं कथं वदामः शान्तम् इत्युक्ते किं शमनं कुरु शमनं भवेत् कस्य शमनम् अग्निशमनं
क्रोधस्य
तस्यापि सर्वेषाम् अतः इन्द्रियनिग्रहः
इन्द्रियनिग्रहः
इन्द्रियाणां चाञ्चल्यं शान्तमस्ति इति सः स्वतनयाः एवम् आसन् शान्ताः इन्द्रिय विरक्ताः आसन्
स्थितप्रज्ञः
के आसन् how many तनयः आसन् अस्य जगतीपतेः तेषु दशसु तनयेषु कति तनयाः उपशमायनेषु
त्रयः
कविः महावीरः अनन्तरं सवनः कविः महावीरः सवनः उपशमायनेषु उपशम तथा अयन इति अस्ति अयन इत्युक्ते मार्गः अथवा गतिः उपशमः एव अयनम् इति अथवा आश्रयः उपशमः एव तेषां गतिः शान्तिः एव विरक्तिः एव तेषां गतिः अस्ति मार्गः अस्ति अयनमस्ति इति तेषां स्थितिः तनयानां स्थितिः एवं जगतीपतिः ते अपि विरक्तिं गतम् अनन्तरं जगतीपतिः कथम् एवं प्रजा वृतः जगतीम् इत्युक्ते भूलोकं जगतीं भूलोकम् अर्बुदानि 11 परिवत्सराणाम् अव्याहत अखिल पुरुषकारसमस्ति अर्बुदानि 11 अर्बुदानि अर्बुद संख्या परिमाण अस्ति अर्बुद संख्या अर्बुद what is billion
1 billion
सहस्रम् अनन्तरं किं भवति अनन्तरं
लक्षं
सहस्रादनन्तरं दशसहस्रम् अयुतम् इति अयुतं दशसहस्रम् अनन्तरं लक्षं means 100,000 अनन्तरं कोटिः
100 लक्ष कोटिः 100 कोटि एक अर्बुद
What is what? 10 lakhs?
100 lakhs, 1 koti. 10 million.
Laksha, then kotihi, anantaram dashakoti, anantaram arbuda. Or 10 dashakoti is arbuda.
Shatakoti.
Shatakoti, 100 koti. That is 1 billion.
Shatakoti 1 billion.
10 koti is 1 billion, I think.
10 koti is
1 billion.
No, Mahadaya. 100 crores, 1 billion.
10 million. Arbuda.
Arbuda is 10 million.
10 million.
No?
No?
I don't know billion, but a crore 100 crore is
Million.
1 arbud. 1 arbuda. 100 crore is 1 arbuda. 100 koti is 1 arbuda.
100.
Yeah, because million, billion, there is difference, right? Because 1 million is 10 laksha. So I think that was Soma Bhagini is right. 10 billion is 1 arbuda.
1 followed by 8 zeros. 100.
Yeah, followed by 100 zeros is arbuda.
Because it's given in the as it is, I mean, like Prabhupada's book.
So I think it's 1 billion.
Yeah.
Okay. 100 million is one arbuda, is it?
How much is 8 zeros followed by 1?
10 million is 7
zeros.
zeros. So I don't know if Arbuda is 10 millions.
It's 100 and then comma.
8 zeros is 100 million. 8 zeros is 100 million.
So that's 100
million.
Yeah, 100 million.
Not 1 billion. 100 million. Okay. So it's like in a normal bhasha, we say Arab, Koti Arab.
Yeah.
I think at that time also that people in that Arab area may be making a lot of money. Arab. Arbuda. Arbudani ekadasha parivatsara ekadasha arbudani. So 11 arbuda. Means 11 into 100 million.
So Arab word also comes from Sanskrit, arbuda.
Interesting, Mohoday.
That's Satyam. Arbuda Arab.
Yeah.
Means that's at least Sankhya. I don't know about the community.
So all Arabpati moved to west. Arabpati migrated to west and became Arabs.
Arbudani ekadasha parivatsaranam. Ekadasha arbudani, that 100 million into 11. Then parivatsaranam. So parivatsaranam means that many parivatsaranam years. Pari ityasti, pari means like pari indicating the like a continuity, continuous. Like is rule. Shasana. Parivatsaranam avyahata means last time we discussed it. Avyahata. Aparajita. Aparajita. Akhila Purushakara. Purushakara means last time we discussed what the Purushartha. Purushartha bhavanti. Tesham krite karani. Kriyaha yaha kriyante. Purushakara. Purushakara sara. Tesham sara. Sambhrita. Sambhrita means
Samyak.
Endowed with.
Endowed with Bhrita. Bhrita and Varanayati. Endowed with. Do danda. This also we discussed last time. Doho danda. Dositi shabdah. Padam.
And powerful arms.
Powerful. Danda eva.
Danda is stick. No?
Eva dosha. Bahu. Anantaram athva dosha eva danda. Doho eva danda. Bahu eva danda. Yugala means dvayam.
Dvayam.
Dvau.
Apidita.
Pida nasti.
Apidita. Apidita means
Without, I mean.
Apiditana. Apidita. Pidita means what?
Pidita means dukkham.
Yeah.
Dukkha is like a
Pida.
force or troubled.
Trouble, yeah.
Yeah, means actually pressure. Pressure is better. Apidita means
Without.
Vasamantat pidita. Fully pidita, fully pressured, fully forced. Maurvi guna. Maurvi means
Bowstring. Bowstring.
bowstring. Guna is strength. Maurvi is like bow, or it could be that string or that rope also. Maurvi guna, that bowstring. So the apidita is visheshanamasti Maurvi gunasya, the bowstring, the ja, also known simple word is ja. The chapasya tantuh bhavati. That ja. From ja only we get this jamiti, right? Jamiti, geometry. Jamiti means the science of measuring. Ja. Ja means that. Ja means a line, a string. Then apidita maurviguna. How is this apidita? Apidita is fully pressured. Pressure in this sense, when is this maurviguna or bowstring gets pressured or troubled? When it is properly drawn, stretched. Okay? So when it is stretched, what happens? When the bow string is stretched, which is connected to bow, what happens? Then
Loud sound.
Stanita.
Loud sound.
Stana. Stana means sound, loud sound. Stanita means shabdita. So when it is stretched, or bowstring is stretched and released, then becomes a big sound. This is very famous, right? Ramachapasya dhvani, Kodanda dhvani, Anantaram
Arjunasya Gandivasya dhvani.
Gandiva dhvani, Anantaram Sharanga dhvani, Sharangapani, Krishna. So these are all, and Shivasya Pinaka. These are famous bows. They are famous because they are big and huge, and they have the Divya Chapaha. When they are stretched and Jabandhanam Bhavati, they become big, they make very big sound. And they have this characteristic sound because they are made of special material. Gandiva, I don't know. The Shanga was made of the Shrunga. Shrunga. The horn, right? Animal. So they make very special sound, unique sound, and big because of sound itself. The Sainyam Shatrupaksha, they understand. Hey, this is the sound of this bow. This person is coming. Run. Then Viramita Dharma Pratipaksha. So when that loud sound happens, then what happens? The other Sainya, when other Sainya, the Shatru Paksha, they run away. The Viramita Dharma Pratipaksha. So what is the use of that, making that big sound, also having that Dordanda Yugala, having the benefit of having the use of that purpose of the Dordanda Yugala is just not for show off, because to stretch those big ayudas, use those ayudas such as this bow, and then what is the use of that? What happens? Viramita Dharma Pratipaksha. Dharmasya Pratipakshina means Dharmasya Virodhina.
The other side, those who are against them.
Dharma, that means Devrata is on the Dharma side. Dharmasya Pratipakshina Shatrava Kim Bhavanti Viramitaha Bhavanti. Viramitaha Parajitaha Bhavanti.
Parajita.
They stop opposing and run away. So this is how he ruled his kingdom for so many years, many years. Then अग्रे किमस्ति बर्हिष्मत्याः च अनन्तरं. So he ruled the kingdom with such a dharma pakshapati sah, dharma pratipakshinaha virodhi. Anantram, the other side of his life is that तत्र तस्य विवरणमस्ति. वर्हिष्मत्याः च. वर्हिष्मती का? धर्मपत्नी सा. वर्हिष्मतस्य नाम. Who was Varishmati? कस्य कन्या?
Vishwakarma.
Priyavrata's wife.
कस्य पुत्री? विश्वकर्मा
पुत्री.
वरिष्मत्याः तस्याः च अनुदिनम् एधमान प्रमोद प्रसरण यौषिण्य क्रीडा प्रमुषित हासावलोक रुचिर क्षैल्यादिभिः च अनुदिनम्. अनुदिनम् means
every day, when daily.
अनुदिनम् अथवा सर्वदा, प्रतिदिनम्. एधमान प्रतिदिनम् अथवा दिवसेऽपि सर्वदा. एधमानम् एधते एधते पदस्य अर्थः
वर्धते.
तु कोशे पूर्वमेव अस्ति आदौ. एधते इति आत्मनेपदी. एधते एधमान प्रमोद. एधमान आत्मनेपदी अस्ति कारणात् मान शब्दस्य प्रत्ययः अस्ति. एधमान एधमान इत्युक्ते वर्धमान वर्धते. प्रमोद प्रसरण प्रमोद इत्युक्ते मोदः आनन्दः भवति. प्रसरण प्रसरति इति प्रसरणशीला. किमस्ति प्रसरण? तस्य विस्तारः भवति, सर्वत्र व्याप्नोति इति. किं? यौषिण्य वीडा प्रमुषित हास. What is यौषिण्य? Yoshana. What is Yoshana? Means Stree. Stree Sambandhi. Stree Guna. Yoshinya. Stree Guna Yukta. Streenam Guna Kim Bhavati Tesham.
Behavior. Hold on.
Tasam Gunaha. Vrida. Vrida. What is Vrida? Vrida Kim.
Shyness. Hold on.
Sanskrit Kim. Shyness.
Lajja.
Lajja.
So Vrida atra. So there is again the nuances of the Vrida Lajja. You said shyness is better here than Lajja. Like Lajja is like Lajja is also used in a similar sense, but more if you do something wrong, it's more like Lajja. Yeah. Vrida is more specifically shyness, especially with the ladies. Vrida, Pramoshita, Mushita, Mushita. मुष्णाति धातुः अस्ति मुष् धातुः बध्नाति अस्ति तु मुष्णाति बध्नाति धातुः गणकः बध्नाति गणकः धातुगणः बध्नाति मुष्णाति नाति नाति अत्र एवं कुतः आगच्छति कस्मिन् गणे धातुगणे
अयादिगणे
चोरयति
मुष् धातु मुष्णाति भवति यति नाति दशम किमस्ति कुमारवेणिक गणकः
9th गण महोदय न भवति खलु स्ना
नियोतगण अदादि चुरादि रुदादि किमस्ति
क्रयादिगण
क्रियादि क्रीणाति क्रीणाति क्रियादि तथा मुष्णाति बध्नाति ओके मुष् धातु अर्थः कः मुष्णाति अर्थः
मुष् भवादि धातु
मुष् मुष्णाति अर्थः एवम् इदानीम् उक्तम् यत्र अतः क्रियादिगणे
क्रियादिगणे आम्
मुष् धातु मुष्णाति इति मुषितोऽहं किम् अत्र अर्थः सम्यक् उक्तम्
चोरयति
अर्थः चोरयति मुष्णाति तु चोरयति robbing stealing robbing there are differences right some differences
stealing heart
so मुष्णाति so
attracting kala mahodaya
What is the difference in robbing and stealing? Stealing without knowledge.
Huh?
Stealing is without knowledge. And robbing is, snatching away.
Stealing is planned. People have planned to steal something.
Yeah.
I don't agree with that.
Stealing, victim is unaware. And robbing happens by, snatching away or taking away from him by force.
In the daylight, robbery.
Daylight.
Mushnati.
Okay, so
steal, it says it you steal an object, but rob, you rob a person of the object. You rob a person of something that they possess. Steal is you take away some object from anywhere.
But the victim is not aware when it is happening.
Yeah, generally. Yeah.
But with robbing, they wouldn't necessarily either.
Tatra eka padam asti, which is coming from this dhatu is moshaka. Ushnat iti moshkaha. Mosha, moshika, moshika, like balaka, balaha. Mosha, tamoshka. The dhatu is mosha because it steals or robs some small items like cheese or bread. People. So pramoshita, the robbed. Hasa avaloka ruchira shvalyadivihi. Hasa means, hasa.
Laughing.
Huh?
Mugdhasa.
Mandahasam. Laughing.
Smile.
Smile.
Avaloka. Avaloka means avalokanam, ikshanam.
With eyes, attracting with eyes, Mahodaya.
Loka is look in English. Lokate is looking.
The way that she looks at him.
Looks. So there is a difference. Darshanam is seeing. Right? Shati is seeing. And Lokate is looking.
Okay.
There is a difference in the two. So here, looking, like listening and hearing, there is a difference, right?
Affectionate look.
Affectionate and then attentive, means purposely looking. Avaloka. Avaloka, and there is ava dhatu, ava upasargati asti. Avaloka. Then ruchira. Ruchira kshvalyadipi. Ruchira.
Pleasing. Pleasing.
Pleasing. Rochate iti ruchira.
Attractive eyes, Mahodaya.
Ruchikara. Ruchira ruchikara. Kshvela. Kshvelyadivihi. Kshveliyadivihi. Kshveli. Kshveli is a famous word in especially kavyas. These are like what do you call the bhava or
Rasa.
no, these are like moments, like special moments, like Shveli. They stylish moments.
Is it rasa? Navarasanam rasa?
No, what I'm saying was like with the bhava, with the rasa, if you're doing some moments, that is Shveli. Especially which are attractive, actually. So, ruchira kshvalyadivihi. So, overall, what is the meaning of the atra? Kasyaha, varishmatyaha anudanam. So, daily, all the time, varishmati kim karoti, saha tasyaha, tasya, priyavatasya, bharya, sa, edhamana, vardhamana, pramoda, परिष्मत्याः एतत् सर्वं करोति किं यौषिण्य स्त्रीस्वभावतः व्रीडा अस्ति अनन्तरं सा किं करोति हास मन्दहास अनन्तरम् अवलोकनम् अनन्तरं रुचिकर क्षीरी अपि करोति सा यथा क्षीरी सामान्यतः मयूर नर्तनं भवति मयूर चालनं चलनं भवति शैली इत्युक्ते सो एतेषां सर्वेषां क्रियाणाम् अवलोकनेन अथवा वरिष्मत्याः एतेषाम् अनुदिनम् एतेषां क्रियाकलाप इत्युक्ते राशि क्रियासमूहः क्रियाकलापेन प्रमोदप्रसरणम् एधमानप्रमोदप्रसरणम् अस्ति प्रमोदः तस्य आनन्दः वर्धते तस्य प्रियव्रतस्य वरिष्मति अनन्तरं कथम् अस्ति सः पराभूयमानविवेकः इव अबुध्यमानः इव महामनः बुभुजे पराभूयमानविवेकः विवेचनशक्तिः किं सम्यक् किम् असम्यक् इति विवेचनशक्तिः स पराभूयमान इत्युक्ते
पराजितं
पराजितः भवति तस्य विवेकः तस्य विवेचनशक्तिः पराजितः भवति कस्य विवेचनशक्तिः कस्मिन् विवेचनम् आवश्यकम् पत्न्याः व्रीडाप्रमुशतः सा व्रीडा इव नटति अनन्तरं हासं करोति अवलोकनं करोति तस्याः मृगनयनी अस्ति सा तेन अवलोकनं करोति चेत् तस्य विवेकभ्रष्टः भवति प्रभाचितविवेकः विवेकभ्रष्टः तस्य पत्न्याम् एव आसक्तिः भवति इन्द्रियचाञ्चल्यं भवति अनन्तरम् इव पराभूयमानविवेकः इव अस्ति वस्तुतः पराभूयमानविवेकः नास्ति वस्तुतः तस्य विवेकः अस्ति विवेकभ्रष्टः नास्ति सः जानाति एतत् सर्वं नश्वरं परन्तु राजा अस्ति इदानीं गृहस्थोऽपि अस्ति कर्तव्यं स्वीकृतवान् अस्ति इति कृत्वा मोदमपि अनुभवति सः पराभूयमानविवेक इव नटति सः परन्तु सः जानाति वस्तुतः नास्ति किमर्थं नास्ति सः पूर्वम् उक्तमासीत् चरणयुगलौ किम् आश्रितः सः कृष्णस्य चरणयुगलम् आश्रितः कारणात् तत् किं दुर्गः एव तस्य रक्षणं करोति सा भक्तिः एव एतत् सर्वमस्ति संसारे सुखम् अनुभवति परन्तु नश्वरम् इति जानाति इव अनवबुध्यमानः इव मीन्स् बुद्ध्यमान इत्युक्ते
जानाति सः
ज्ञानी अस्ति परन्तु अनवबुध्यमानः अज्ञानी इव एतत् सर्वं न जानाति नश्वरमिति न जानाति इति नटति इव महामनाः बुभुजे सः बुभुजे एवं सः शासनम् अकरोत्. So generally what all this indicates, even though someone is jnani and someone is virakta, but when going through samsara he doesn't
enjoyed fully.
Enjoy it, but do not get attached to it. Padma. always keep tethered with the bhakti in Paramatma, Isa, and then never lose that sight. However, don't have to totally reject uh, and whatever kartavya and the enjoyment is there, enjoy it.
Without getting attached.
But that is so difficult, Mahoday, without getting attached, especially to children and,
That is the lakshya. So we have to, that's why we get 184,000 opportunities.
So the bigger picture here is, yes, every day it's difficult in children and family and friends and everything. With the bigger picture, the Pura Muktam, there is nothing can be done. And the nature and Kala doesn't care at all, doesn't care for anything. It doesn't care. It will just do its own thing. Whatever we pray, pray. I'm not saying should not pray, but it's a karma. Right? If someone is praying, that is karma, because they are prachodhanamasti, to do something good. Because of that they are doing that. But ultimately, the destiny, the vidhi, it will take its own course. Nothing is going to change. And so with that, that's a bigger picture. As we start looking at the bigger and bigger this at the universe, picture the universe and the laws of physics and the universe, which are again correlated with the Shastra Vishaya also, it becomes clearer and clearer. We are nothing. We are just a speck. It doesn't matter what we desire, what we do, because of our prarabdha karma, sanchita karma, etc., then the thing will continue. Yatha puramasit, yatha nasibaddha vrishabhaiva, that we are being pulled and we are this is when we are being forced to do this, going through this karma marga. Yeah, we can smile, we can cry, we can wail, we can whine. It doesn't change anything.